Please subscribe this Wikitech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the latest updates. Hi everyone, this is TSM from Wikitech. Hi guys, recently the Realme launches 4 products in India. There was Realme Buds Air Neo, and the second thing is the Realme Power Bank 2, and the third thing is the Realme Smartwatch, and the fourth one is the final one. This is called Realme Smart TV. These 4 products was Realme recently launches in India. So let's look at the specifications briefly about these products. Hey guys, if you're talking about the Realme Buds Air Neo, the Realme Buds Air Neo comes with the Bluetooth version 5.0, and the company is saying it comes with R1 chip. With the help of this R1 chip, we can easily connect the earbuds to any device like instant auto connection like Google Fast Pair, and also at a single time the earbuds can give the playback up to the 3 hours nearly, and if you take the voice calls it can give the battery backup up to 1.5 hours easily, and with the help of this charging case it can give the total playback time hours nearly 17 hours. And also guys, the interesting thing in this Realme Buds Air Neo, it comes with super low latency mode 119.2 milliseconds, which means you haven't faced any kind of lagging issue in terms of sound department when you're using these earbuds when you're playing the games like the PUBG. And also it comes with a 13mm dynamic bass drivers, which means we can expect a powerful bass along with clear tremble ranges, and also the vocals in this the vocals in this earbuds was crystal clear according to the specification what they mentioned. And also this earbuds was available in 3 colors. Those was the pop white, rock red, and punk green, and its cost is around 2,999 rupees. Now if you're talking about the second thing is the Realme Power Bank 2, whereas this power bank 2 comes with 10,000 mAh, and also this power bank comes with 2 USB ports like USB Type A and USB Type C. With the help of the USB A, you can charge any device up to 18 watts for charging, and also with the help of this Type C port, you can charge again any other device up to the 18 watts. And also with the help of this USB Type C port only, you can able to charge the power bank itself up to the 18 watts. And also guys, this power bank was available in 2 colors, yellow color and the black color, and its thinness is, and it comes with a thinness like 15 and its weight is around 216 grams. And also this power bank comes with a feature like low current mode, which means if you are charging to your smartphone, if you're charging to your earbuds, if you're charging your smart bands, then these gadgets usually requires the less power. So this power bank comes with a low current mode also. So with this help of low current mode, you can easily charge these devices. And also the Realme company is saying this power bank is designed to grip in our hand, so we feel comfortable when we hold the power bank, because they made the surface with the texture, so which is also repels a fingerprint, dust, and non-slippery in your hands when you hold the power bank in your hands. And also guys, quick charging available for the protocols like QC, PD, AFC, SFCP, PE, and BC 1.2. And also guys, in this power bank the company providing 2-in-1 charging cable, which means you not only charging your Android Type C ports, you also able to charge your iPhone lightning cables with the help of this 2-in-1 charging cable. And also guys, they're saying that it comes with 13 layers of circuit protection for the consumer priority. So that's it guys about this Realme Power Bank 2. Now the third thing is Realme Smartwatch, whereas this Realme Smartwatch comes with 1.4 inches color touch screen display, and it's got a resolution of 320 into 320 pixels resolution. And also this was available in the 4 colors like black, red, blue, and green. Whereas out of the box the watch comes with 12 watch faces, and the company also said they was going to provide OTA update and they was going to add 100 watch faces, so daily you can use any watch face according to your lifestyle. The interesting thing is this watch comes with a heart rate sensor, where you usually see in other smartwatches also, but along with it comes with blood oxygen level monitor, which means it will track your heart rate along with the blood oxygen levels equally. And also guys, this watch comes with 14 modes activity tracker like outdoor run, indoor run, outdoor cycle, aerobic ability, table tennis, indoor cycle, yoga, walking, and strength training, football, basketball, elliptical, along with the badminton and the cricket. These are all the modes which was the watch was going to track in our real daily life. And also guys, with the help of this smart watch, you can able to control the Realme Buds Air Neo and the smart TV gadgets and smart air purifiers and the smart lamps in case if you have the gadgets which provides the Wi-Fi access, the gadgets where the gadgets was able to control with the help of this smartwatch, where you can also able to control the music, and also without touching the camera you can use the camera as the remote access with the help of this smartwatch. Means without touching the camera you can take the photos with the help of this watch, which was usually helpful while we're taking the selfie portraits. So with the help of this watch we can do the selfies easily. And also guys, this watch comes with a notification from the third party apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, Gmail, Twitter, TikTok, and the YouTube, where you can get the messages in real time. When you get any message from these third party apps, immediately your watch will remind you. And also one of the interesting thing in this watch is this comes with IP68 dust and waterproof resistance, where in the mobile phone department, if you want IP68 rating mobile phone, usually we need to invest more than 45,000, but whereas this watch cost is around 3,999 rupees. So in this price category, this watch comes with IP68 water resistant, which is one of the best improvement from the company. Definitely we should appreciate for them for the implementation. Whereas guys, if you're talking about the sensors inside the watch, it comes with a 3-axis accelerometer sensor, heart rate sensor, rotor vibrator motor, and along with IP68 water resistance. If you're talking about the connectivity, it comes with Bluetooth 5.0 and the Android version is 5.0 plus, and also there was the Realme app was available in the Play Store, so you can download that app in your phone and you can link this smartwatch to your app to get more benefits. Okay guys, the fourth thing is the Realme Smart TV, where most of the people was waiting to purchase this Realme TVs, whereas this company launches two TVs. One is 32 inches and the second one is the 43 inches. Both these TVs comes with LED, whereas if you're talking about the 32 inches, it comes with a HD at the resolution of 1366 into 768, and if you're talking about the 43 inches comes with full HD 1920 into 1080 pixels resolution. And also guys, both these TVs comes with the processor like ARM Cortex A53 quad-core processor, but it did not mention the clock speed, and it comes with the GPU Mali 470 MP3 GPU. And the picture technology used in this TV was Chroma Boost. You know that Chroma Boost is nothing but in Realme smartphones we have seen an option like Chroma Boost. If we enable that option, we have seen that colors was enhanced, the colors was punched, the colors looks very vibrant. So like this, if you turn on this Chroma Boost in your TV, so you can see that there was a punch in the colors and the saturation contrast level should be punched. And also guys, both these TVs comes with the 4 speakers and it's 24 watts, and the speakers was Dolby supported speaker. It's an Android TV, the built-in apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Videos, and also the company said they was going to provide the updates via OTA, and also there was a dedicated button for Google Assistants in the remote. If you're talking about the connectivity, both these TVs supports the Wi-Fi single band 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth was enabled, and infrared was enabled, DLNA was enabled, Bluetooth file transfer, and we can do Bluetooth music, remote control, whereas HDMI 3 HDMI ports was coming on both TV models, and AV port was available, tuner port was available, USB 2 ports was available, LAN port was available, along with audio output SPDIF 1 port was available. If you're talking about the weight of this 32 inches TV, with stand it comes with 3.7 kgs, without stand it comes with 3.6 kgs. Whereas if you're talking about the weight of the 43 inches TV, it comes at a weight of 6.8 kgs with stand. Without stand it comes at the weight of 6.7. That's it in this video guys. I hope provided all the information about the 4 products which was launched recently by Realme. And also guys, I just want to let you know this was the Sennheiser headphones. I hope you already watched the unboxing video. If you haven't watched, I was providing a link in the iCard. And also guys, in this month 31st, I was going to give away this Sennheiser headphones, and also right now the review was going on. I feel very interesting while doing the review with these headphones. Anyhow, if you have not participated in the giveaway, you just need to open that whole video, unboxing video, and you just mention subscribe our channel, tap on the bell icon, and also just mention in the comment at the rate of WikiMax, I want this Sennheiser headphones. But keep in mind, if that video gets 150 likes, then only I can able to do the giveaway. Hey guys, if you have any specific questions about these sport gadgets, about the Realme recent launch in India, just let me in the comment section. I was very happy to assist you. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me. If you don't mind, please subscribe to the channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications. Love you all. Take care. Your family stay connected. Take care.